Do it again.
Yeah.
These are from Pawpaw. Oh, it blew way in here. Sorry about the shaky video. Here you go. These are from Pawpaw. Wasn't that a good idea? Okay, wait till the wind blows. Whoa, yeah, you feel that wind? Oh, it just picked up. It would have been the perfect time. Do it again. Wait for the wind to pick up. Wait for it. Listen to the trees. That's so cool.